Friday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Saturday through Sunday, clear. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the lower 60s. Sunday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Monday, partly sunny. Much cooler with highs in the upper 60s. Monday night and Tuesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Highs in the lower 70s. The current time is 11:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. at Memphis International Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 57 degrees. The dew point was 25, making the relative humidity 29%. The wind was south at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 26 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.20 inches and falling. At West Memphis, it was mostly sunny and the temperature was 53 degrees. At DeWitt Spain Airport in Fraser, it was partly sunny and the temperature was 53 degrees. At Olive Branch, it was partly sunny and the temperature was 55 degrees. Elsewhere around the region: Jackson, Tennessee, partly sunny and 51. Dyersburg, light rain and 48. At Covington, the temperature was 54 degrees, the dew point 27. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio all hazards warning system on station WXK-49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK-49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR.